Hi and welcome to our Christmas special. We have Frosty the Snowman, who doesn't love Santa, and his reindeer. Very cute. We're going to be looking at what's it made of, what's inside this. So here we'll start off with Rudolph, and he has reindeer. Very cute. We're just going to start taking it off. By the way, I am an adult, so you need to be careful. If you're, only do this if you're an adult or with an adult. So here are his ears. Very cute. Let's check the sky out. He's got his little Santa suit on because he loves Santa so much. And his little Santa hat on. What's he made of? What's inside this guy? I'm going to start with the back right here. I'm just going to give it a little clip, clip, clip. Huh. Is that snow? A lot of it. To make a little reindeer. Wow, that's a lot. So this is what it looks like inside. When you see the eyes, his eyes sticking out, this is what they look like from the back. Almost looks like he's looking at you. So this is what he looks like without his filler. And so this is what he looks like in. Let's do Frosty next. Let's take off his hat. And his hat looks like it's filled of snow or pretend snow. And look at all that snow on the inside. We can take off his little scarf. It comes off really easy. Cute little scarf. And his hat. And let's turn him over. Huh. There's all this other color in there. And he also has the eyes that you see him this way, and then you look inside, and they're another. So we have our reindeer, and we have our snowman. Last but not least, Santa's turn. What should we take off? Santa's beard. Let's see what he looks like without that beard. Oh, Santa, time for a haircut. He looks good, huh? It's a pretty good cut. Still has his hat. Should we take a little bit of it off the top? Is it funny to see Santa without his beard? Maybe a little. Now let's see what's inside. Oh, yep, he has snow too. Ooh, look at all that. Well, there you have it. That's what's inside. Santa, Frosty, and his reindeer. Thanks for watching.